Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. We are at Midland Station again, and it is Friday the 23rd of January now, 2026 of course. It is not even 6 a.m, 5:50 in the morning, and I have some information that the Midland Station demolition is happening right now, yes. So I've come here to make sure I capture it. I did say I would if I would be able to, and now that I found out that it's starting now, it is the perfect opportunity to come and see it happen. There's already people with masks and stuff getting ready. The diggers over here. But it's gonna be so weird because the buses are still driving literally right past it. So like, that's gonna be pretty dangerous having them right here. They already stripped out the toilets and everything. And there's 901 ready, starting service. Well, it's already been running for like an hour. And there's also a gas bus here again, 2003 over there. But anyway, 10 more minutes until 6 a.m, which is when they're supposedly starting. What's that water there? What? Oh dear. Please don't tell me this is going to delay it now. We'll see. But yeah, hopefully we can catch something. Well, it's been 20 minutes and still nothing, but hopefully soon. Here's the airport bus on the 291. Why do they have to put them on random routes like this? So useless. I mean, I guess it goes to Redcliffe, but still. So dumb. There's only 2 airport buses, and instead of using them on the 292, they use them here, like. All of a sudden this is gonna go kaboom. Here we go. We had to wait 45 minutes, but it's about to happen. Oh, what? There's nothing on it yet. Bro. 1190 on 310. What the heck? How do you even operate this? Like, that's just crazy. Arctic to Sawyers Valley. Most useless stuff. Wow, there's actually like 6 people in it. And NH 1771 on the first 301 of the day. What is he doing? Okay, this has got to be the most useless allocation of an Arctic bus ever. 312 to the farmlands? Are you kidding? This has got to be a joke, bro. Arctic on the 312. Oh my god. All right, here we go, finally. They had to get a truck in and move all the debris. Oh my God, it turned off again. I mean, I guess they have to connect it. They'll connect that and then it's starting.
Here they are, destroying the station. Just came here like 15 minutes late, so that's why. Oh boy. There it goes. Bye bye Midland Station. There it goes! Oh my God, this is so dusty. Bye bye. There it goes, that's the end of Midland Station. That feels kind of sad actually, seeing a building completely get torn down.